Okay, the last one was absolute garbage. So here we go. I apologize. I'm really tired. So if I come across not as chipper, my bad. Okay, I'm Jessica Folks. Enjoy. And here's a summary of my life so you can get to know me better. I originally used to live in Katy, Texas for I would say about 12 years or more. I miss my home dearly, but I decided when an opportunity presented itself for my mom to move to Midland, I was kind of in that spot where I didn't really exactly have a choice. So I came along. Fun fact, I've actually moved 9 times in my life. I hate moving, but so I decided to come along. I jumped on the bandwagon. I wasn't for it at first, but then I originally decided just to come along. And we moved to Midland about 5 years ago, and we've been here ever since. I really don't have any qualms about Midland. I've actually come to make a pretty good life here. I actually like it a lot. I don't like the oil industry too much. I did that for a while, and it's not me. But I have come to make a pretty good life for myself. I now work at Midland Memorial Hospital. I love my job. I love the people I work with, and I work on the medical floor. So I actually come to actually like Midland a lot. That's where I started to pursue a career in nursing because I know what it's like to not have a lot, and I know what it's like to not always, you know, have a lot. Hey, Boomer, not always have a lot. Yeah, come on, and not always have a lot. And so, nursing is a way that I know to give back to those who need it most. And if God gave me a lot, why shouldn't I give back? So nursing is something I truly love and is very, very, very close to my heart. After I get done with working at, uh, after I graduate, I wanted to work at Midland Memorial Hospital for a while. Boomer. Work at Midland Memorial Hospital for a while and get my experience there. And then I wanted to work at a rehabilitation ranch here inside Midland. And work at a rehabilitation ranch inside Midland, and work there with foster kids. As you can see, I have a dog right here, Boomer. He's my boy, always with me. And that's Charlie. I have no kids, no husband as of yet. I have my mom and my sister. They are my world. I love them very, very, very much. I couldn't imagine life without them. Yes, I know, baby. Stop. For a vacation, I would love to go to the Grand Canyon to swim the river. If I'm not at work or at school or at home, I'm either exercising, anything fit or active, spending time with my family, or just reading a book. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.